guys, let's take a look at the Catalyst Mashineworks Shocker frame 5-inch and my build with the 2004 engines we discussed in the previous video, the Maiden, flight and ACRO mode. Let's take a look how it performs after the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at my long-range interpretation of a 5-inch build, and the base of this is the Catalyst Mashineworks Shocker frame. We are here on 2004 engines since they are proven to be really efficient, but also having capabilities of doing some light freestyle. I want to get a lot of flight time out of this quad and use it for multi-purpose flying, and for that this configuration seems to be the right choice to me. DJI released their own FPV drone, and I think that is the new benchmark for true long-range cruising and light freestyle. I have it on order, it will arrive any day now, and we will benchmark and review, and I will share all my experience with that. Don't miss that content and subscribe to my channel, that would really help out to grow and is really much appreciated. Also destroy that like button and smash it for the algorithm. That also is really important that you do it early in the video to show your support. Thank you very much to each and every one of you. So back to my Catalyst Mashineworks Shocker frame build 5-inch. We are flying 2004 motors with 3100 kV in ACRO mode under light wind conditions. Let's take it for a spin and see how it flies. So far so good, I really like how it flies. The 2004 motors are really performing well, exactly how I would expect an efficient engine still develop punch and energy when I want it for light freestyle, but also when I want to cruise, it really behaves in a very stable, very nice way how it flies, and that is really what I want from a quad which I'm using on an average day of flying without carrying 2, 3, 4 quads for different purposes with me. Besides that, the Catalyst Mashineworks frame is really complementing that efficiency of the engines and doesn't carry too much weight around for that average light freestyle what you want to do, where you most likely don't crash anyways. And why would you want a too over-engineered, too heavy, too sturdy frame if you don't have the plan to fly on the edge in concrete buildings, where you would go for a different design and different quad to begin with. Products are about trade-offs. There is not one quad, one drone which does it all best. And here we're having a different kind of approach for building an all-round design quad, not too expensive, not too over-engineered, but really fun to fly. Great for flight footage because the motors and propellers are out of frame. If you put a GoPro on it, it will survive. If you put a naked GoPro on it, it will survive even better. And it's fun, you can have some freestyle with it. The engines are highly efficient, but they produce a lot of torque and power when you need it. But they don't cut into the flight time too much, and if you do so, you still have over 50 minutes flight time if you want. So you can reach out and fly further away, still not worrying about coming back home. that cat here really doesn't care when the drone crashes casually right in front of her in the grass. And here the flight slowly comes to an end. All the copper shielding on the antennas and the GPS wires worked very well. We had very soon over 13, 14, sometimes 16 satellites locked. And after I saw the great results fixing the Flybo Explorer LR's GPS issue with the first V1 version with copper tape is now my best friend to improve all performance of those kind of devices on a quad, not interfering with any electronics. And it really seems to work very well. I really like that frame, I really like this quad, and I probably will build more in different engine configurations. Also, I will compare it to the DJI FPV drone which just came out, which will arrive now any day. Not comparing by default, they are two completely different things. But for the long range capabilities, they are quite comparable, and we will take a look what would be the better approach for doing long range cruising, light freestyle, long distance flights in ACRO mode, which the new DJI FPV drone is fully capable of now. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, that will be really appreciated. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.